What's up everyone, thank you for coming in and hanging out with me. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. On this channel we do unboxings and reviews. So today what I have for you is a Nikon D5600. I'm going to be using this for making my videos. I'm transitioning from using my iPhone X to the Nikon D5600. So like I mentioned, this is the D5600 and it comes with the 18 to 55 VR kit. That's the lens right here, and this one is compatible with SnapBridge. So SnapBridge is an app available on your Android as well as your iOS device, which allows you to transfer videos and pictures from your Nikon to your iPhone right away. A couple of things about this camera. So it's Wi-Fi certified, Bluetooth compatible, as well as NFC connectivity. It has a touchscreen and it can shoot full 1080p HD videos. It's a really good camera for vloggers, and it has an optical built-in viewfinder. Okay, so right off the box, we're going to open up and we're going to see the camera body. Okay, the bubble wrap goes back inside here. Here's the camera. I'm going to open this up. Okay. So like I mentioned, Bluetooth as well as Wi-Fi compatible. And then there's a micro USB. And then here's a microphone connection that you can use your video mic, me, or any other microphones. Okay. And then you insert your strap that you get with the camera through here. All right, and then this is the SnapBridge I was talking to you about. Also updates your camera time and location information. It's a large 3.2 touchscreen LCD. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this over here. Now this camera, when you buy the kit, does not come with a SD card. So I bought the SD card separately. It was about $32. Next we have the wall charger. Okay, and depending on where you are, it's going to be different. North American power cable. All right, put that over here. And this is the battery. It's a rechargeable lithium ion, and it comes with a plastic cover, so just take it off. Your Nikon strap. Okay, there's your Nikon strap. And then finally, here's your lens. Just be really careful when you take it out. Make sure you don't drop it. Okay, here's your Nikon lens. And then obviously you gotta take this off. And you wanna plug it in. And then you have... Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna actually attach this lens to the camera. We've taken the cover off. Okay. So now what we need to do, we need to align these metal grooves to the top over here. Best way to do it is white to white. Okay, go in and then slowly move it counterclockwise, and you're gonna hear the clicks. So that click means it's in, it's good to go. If you want to take the lens off, press this button and then move it. Okay. Alright, so now that the lens is attached, L means it's locked, so to unlock the lens, we're going to press this button right here and just move it. Okay. So here's everything that you get with the camera. You get the body, the lens, you get the battery charger, the battery itself. We're going to put the battery in as well as the micro SD card. So I'm going to see if my SanDisk 128 gigabyte will work with it. I got the adapter with the SD card when I purchased it. So I'm just going to pop it in like that. Okay, so when you pick it up, it says right here, it says card, so flip it up. Okay, and it says push to eject. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the battery in. So the battery goes in here. Pop this open. So the battery's in here. I'm just going to set the SnapBridge up. Okay, so now that we have the SnapBridge installed on my iPhone, and it's been connected and paired up. So this is what's going to come up afterwards. We're going to go next. download local data from your smart device. I'm going to say no. Sync clock, yes. Okay, and it says done. Alright guys, I know you enjoyed the video. If you did, support the channel by subscribing to it and hitting that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think about the video. As always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.